I know you weren't here for the '82 show, but could you discuss a little bit how agriculture has changed in the county in those 30 years, or 30 plus years between the shows?
Well, maybe I might turn that over to the growers and farmers that have been here that long. I have only been here 6 years, so, but agriculture, what I know of it, irrigation has advanced as far as better control systems, better management of water. Some of the farms have gotten larger, some have, we still have smaller farms, but some have, again, cross lines, and so we do have some larger equipment in some cases, and some are traditional. So we have a mix of both in the county. So again, Ken or Pete, can you add to that? You've been part of the transition, I guess. So.
I would have to say a lot of different technologies gone into seeds, hybrids, be it anywhere from alfalfa to corn. I think 30 years ago, if you raised 120, 150 bushel corn to the acre, you were doing something pretty good. Where now, it seems that you're not in that 200 bushel to the acre, you're doing something wrong. So, I think that's come a long way. I think your tillage equipment, in my opinion, has gotten larger. If you're going to be going across that field, you might as well be pulling something that's just as wide as you can possibly pull it, because that's maybe 1 or 2 less passes you have to make to get that field done. And time is money, and fuel is expensive, the whole thing. So I don't know, that's my end of it. I don't know.
I'll make some comments too.
Go ahead.
I'm a machinery specialist in extension and worked with the show since '84. So I was just getting started in '82. But I think one of the biggest things that's occurred is refinement in equipment in terms of electronics, better controls, and actually making it more efficient. You got guidance systems. When you go to the larger machines, you can't see way out to the end. If you've got a 120-foot sprayer, overlap and so forth, it will make quite a bit of difference. And so it's electronic, but also refinement in equipment. Tillage equipment is talked about. I've seen where you just had like we call it a crack digger, but just a field cultivator, just shanks. Now you got discs up front, got the cultivator shanks, and then you may have some sort of a tool in the back, a rolling basket or tines. So consequently, and that's what allows him with that one machine to eliminate some steps. So so I think, and also like you say, they've gotten bigger. When we see a more conditioner out there that's 45 feet wide, I think when growing up a farmer at 80 acres could get that done in probably an hour or two, cut all this hay in an hour or two with that machine. But when you have those big machines like that, you need more electronics to control it. And so I think that's long. And I think we're going to see, I don't know how much